Hey guys, look at this video today. I'm showing you how to make gold in WoW. Alright, so to start off, all you'll need is to be around level 20, because that's when you get your mount. You can do this if you're a lower level, but it'll be a little bit harder because you can't run. You'll need to have the skill mining, and you'll need these 3 add-ons: routes, Gaither's Mate, and Gaither's Mate data. Alright, so you can go to curse.com to download these, and then when you get log in on the character, like right about here, there will be a bar that says add-ons. Click on that, and then make sure they're turned on and they're there. Alright, so after you turn them on and you log on to your character, you want to type in /ROU. Oh no, never mind. Gaither Mate. Alright, so Gaither's Mate. And then go to import data, Gaither's Mate data. You'll add, and then you'll select mining. If you we're doing mining in this tutorial, but you can do treasure, herbalist, fishing, or gas clouds. You'll select your expansion pack. I have Wrath of the Lich King. You can click expansion data only if you only want Wrath of the Lich King, and then you just click import data. Gaither's data has been imported, so you'll click M and you'll have all these little rocky rocks. Now the lines. That'll be the next thing. You'll type in enter /ROUT routes. Then you go to this, you'll add one, which will be, you'll go to the add tab, you'll type in the Barrens. Okay. Then you'll select your zone if you're in the Barrens. Then you go to cartographer or Gaither's Mate. If you're gonna make sure Gaither's Mate is on. You can keep cartographer on if you use that for your map, and then those 2 ones on the bottom don't matter. Then you'll make sure. Now, if you're not like whatever it's called, if you're not a 65 skill yet, you can just use copper veins. But I'm think like 93, so I'm gonna do tin and silver, and then you're just gonna click create route. And then if you go to routes, you have your routes, the Barrens, right here. You can go to the line settings. You can make the line thicker, thinner. I'm gonna put mine 10 because I have quest helper on, and the lines kind of get in the way of quest helper. Alright, so then you'll go to optimize route. You'll turn the cluster. You can use 60 if you want. Will be the default one, that'll be fine, but I'm just gonna put it at 10. You click cluster, and then it'll be all clustered. Alright, so then you'll just need to find a tin vein, and then you can start your route. I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to keep going a little bit farther because it's going to take me up there, and I don't want to go up there to this silver vein down here. And then you also want to turn on find minerals. Now, everywhere there's like those thingy things, that doesn't mean that they're going to be there, but that's where they spawned. So that's why you put on find minerals. So when you get close enough, they'll turn, the little symbols will turn into a circle. If there's a gold dot in the middle of them, then that means there's actually a mineral there. Alright, so we'll start our path right here. And you'll get, if you want 20, you'll get like a bundle of 20 usually. If you get a ton of them, then that's good. So yeah, so you get a bundle of 20, and those will go, you can sell those on the auction house for usually 6 gold. Will be like the lowest you would sell them, and that would go pretty fast because usually people put them up for like 20 gold, but no one buys them if they're that high of a price. There's one right here. So yeah, just put them up for 6 gold, and if you get, let's say 4 bundles of 20, that would be 24 gold, I think. That's a lot. And another thing is copper. I mean, tin goes, if you can sell tin for like higher than you can sell copper. But a lot of people are looking for copper because they're just trying to get their level in mining higher up. So if you put on a ton of, then usually copper will go a little bit faster, but they're equally the same. Alright, so yeah, now we're going to go over here to silver. And if you don't want to mine copper, you just want to start off mining tin, you can go to the auction house and just buy one and then just melt them all down. And then you can put the copper rods back up on the auction house. There's some of these in the water. And a good thing about being 20 is some of these people, most of the people are lower levels than me, so I don't have to worry about killing them. In the middle of this ocean, you can see there's a ton, there's a ton of these little words down here. See, I have 19 things, so if I get another copper rod, that would be 6 gold, and then if I got another tin one, that would be 6 gold, so I would 12 gold so far. I've only been doing this for about 10 minutes, so if you spend an hour about doing this, that's like more than 100 gold. So it's very effective. And after you learn like to make like those like the diamond or whatever they're called bars that you can actually sell to like a seller, like a regular thing, not the auction house, for like about 5 gold, you can do this and then you won't have to worry about someone buying them on the auction house, which is pretty nice. Right, so I'm just gonna run around and get a few more. I spotted a copper vein on the side, so I'm just going to pick that one up real quick. Run away from this guy so I can get back up on my mount. Also, I have this little guy right here following me. These are devoted hatchlings. I'm showing you how to get those. You can sell these guys for about 500 gold on the auction house, and they're not as rare as those little whelps. I mean, they're not like, you would have to go like 3 runs through whaling caverns to get one, so they're not like super rare like the whelps. So yeah, it's pretty easy to make them. So if you got about 10 of those, it would be really bad at math. I'm trying to think here now. Oh, 5,000 gold. I don't know if I'm right though. Alright, so yeah, that's how I make gold. Okay, so that was Look at This videos. See you next time.